Hi, this winter I put winter tyres on my car for the first time ever, just because I wanted to see if they really did make a difference in wintry conditions. I'm in the UK, so do you need winter tyres? Maybe, maybe not. I've got a Seat Ibiza FR front wheel drive, which is normally a bit rubbish in the snow, and I get quite a lot of snow where I live on my commute to work because I'm going over hills. They're quite high up and the snow lays there. So I thought I'll just give it a go. I got the Nokian WR D4 tyres on my car, and admittedly they're a bit more of a Central European winter tyre, but I just wanted to test them out in snow. I just wanted to experience it for myself, the difference that they make, if they did make a difference. I put them on the car in November. We've had a fairly mild winter, really. And it's only just recently where the temperature's been getting anywhere near the range where these tyres are at the optimum level. In my experience, 4 degrees and below. The temperature, because they're a softer compound, they don't get too hard in those temperatures, and they just feel more responsive. I was driving in the icy conditions on the way to work the other morning. It was minus 1.5 Celsius, and it just felt really responsive, steering and braking. The tyres just were really grippy. And then on the way home from work, we got our first proper snow of the winter, and the tyres worked really well. I'll show you a bit of dashcam footage now of my experience driving, and yeah, have a look. Right, on to the test on this road. At this point, the snow was coming down quite heavily, and there was a good layer on the road. This route that I'm taking, there are a lot of uphill sections, and some of them are quite steep as well. Okay, at the moment handling really well in the snow. I'm going at about 30 miles an hour here, no problem. I've already gone up one hill that I would never have got up with my summer tyres on. This one might be a little bit more of a test. I'm taking this cautiously. There's a little bit of slide there going around the corner, but this is a big hill, so let's give it a go. Try not to get too many revs up here. And actually getting up the hill steadily, no problem, whereas I would never have got up here with the summer tyres on. Fantastic. Handling really well at the moment. I'm going 32 miles an hour. I'm actually putting my foot down and going up to 40 now. It still feels good. Now there's a corner coming up, so I'm going to brake quite hard. Perfect. No sliding whatsoever. Slow down to about 10 miles an hour there. A bit of an incline here. Taking it no problem. I'm in 4th gear now. Still steadily going up. It's quite a decent layer of snow now, but I'm feeling really confident with these tyres. I'm really finding at this point that the Nokians do give me a lot of confidence to just drive normally rather than be too cautious. Of course, you've still got to be cautious in the snow, but it is normal driving and you feel confident. And especially on these roads as well. I'm taking small roads with a lot of twists and turns, a lot of hills. A little slide there, probably going in a bit too hot. I absolutely was there actually, and there are some loose chip-ins underneath the snow there, which I've seen in the dry, so I should have been paying more attention to that. You get the grip back straight away. Braking's good. Braking is really good. Alright, it's quite steep this bit, so I'm just going to take it take it fairly slowly. Fantastic. And right here again, the Nokians just allow you to drive normally. We've already seen that climbing hills, braking has not been a problem, and just general responsiveness of the steering. It's pretty much as if you're on a dry road. Right, going downhill 30 miles an hour, I'm going to put the brakes on quite hard. Wow. Comes to a standstill really easily. Just going to try it again. Another brake test. 30 miles an hour, hard on the brakes. Good. This section here is the following day. On higher ground, some of the snow started to melt, so it was very, very slushy conditions, but there was quite a lot of it. Going downhill was absolutely fine. Handling was really good. Coming uphill, as you can see here now, there was a little bit of movement from left to right as the tyres are trying to cut through that slush, but compared to going up in your summer tyres, you know, there's no contest. And I was purposely driving in the slush as well, just to test out the tyres. Got up the hill, no problems, no wheel spin or anything like that. So I hope this video has been useful if you are considering getting winter tyres. My experience has been better than I expected with them, so I will definitely be putting them on every winter from now on. And just especially because of where I live and the route that I take to work. They've certainly given me a lot of confidence driving, confidence that I would not have on summer tyres. And I also feel safe as well. I've got a young daughter who sits in the back of the car, and that's her pet rabbit, not real rabbit, it's a toy, but kind of lost my train of thought now. But yeah, I just want to feel safe and I want to feel confident when driving, and the winter tyres have gone well above my expectations. So yeah, hope you found that useful, and I really want some more snow now. It's all melted away, but if I get some more snow, I might do another review, because I like to try it out in some different conditions as well. Really heavy snow will be a test, see how a two-wheel drive car copes in that sort of situation. So yeah, hopefully, like I say, it's been useful, and catch up with you later. Bye.